Going live. Hello, everyone, and I hope all of you are able to hear me loud and clear. Welcome to this live session. We are going to see now how to get started and find some opportunities today, right? And today the market has opened with a positive note, as all of you can see. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're able to hear me clear, loud and clear. All right. So I got a notification from my team as well. So let's get started. So now, what are we seeing today? We are seeing that the market has opened on a positive note, right? So अभी जाकर देखते हैं कि मार्केट्स में क्या सेटअप है और क्या टाइप का मूवमेंट नजर आ रहा है. सो हमेशा की तरह वी विल गो हियर इनटू आवर dashboard and we will take a look at the overall market condition. And when you take a look at the market breadth, you can see here that the top down approach which we always follow, यहाँ पर indices है, यहाँ पर sector है और यहाँ पर आपका मार्केट ब्रेथ है, राइट. सो हमेशा न्यू ट्रेडर में आपको ये मार्केट ब्रेथ से पता चल जाता है कि किस तरह का काम करना है. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू सेट इट फ्रॉम द मार्केट ओपन, you will be able to get a very good idea. So based on the market open, you can see here that this is the overall position. So you can see here that this is how the entire market has been set up, and we are seeing some positivity in certain stocks, some negativity in this stock where the results have come out. ICICI Pru had come out with a decent set of numbers, and maybe the rise seen in the last few days, okay, so it seems to have bottomed out, right. So what do you note from this कि overall market का जो sentiment है, right, overall market का जो sentiment है, it is clear, okay, it is clear that there is a positive outlook in the market, but certain stocks where the results are coming out. So always, whenever a result is coming out, you have to first hold on to your position, okay, reduce your position and see how the market is reacting. If you are having a positive view and market is not having a positive view, then immediately you should exit. रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आएंगे और फिर अच्छे फॉलो थ्रू मिलेंगे. लाइक जैसे कल पॉलीकैब में था, कल दोपहर को रिजल्ट आया, बढ़िया रिजल्ट आया, एंड देन देयर वाज अ गुड मूव यस्टरडे, एंड टुडे इट गैप्ड अप एंड इट हैज मूव्ड बाय 4% since the morning. So what does it mean? It means that the market is responding well to the result. So in the same way, what you have to do is keep on looking at how the markets are reacting to the result, and especially on the result day, I strongly advise that do not take any position. So now if you go down to the setups, right, if you go down to the setups and see what kind of trade to take. So today we are going to focus on how to check out some moves using the camera. तो हमेशा की तरह हम चलेंगे हमारे रोलिंग टिकर में, ऑलराइट, और रोलिंग टिकर में जाकर देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ मोमेंटम विच इज इंक्रीजिंग. So now this is the result season. So all of you do note that this is the result season, and result season में काफी सारे stock specific action होते हैं. So stock specific action is something which you need to watch out for. आज इंडसइंड बैंक का है और ऐसे रिजल्ट्स आते रहेंगे, तो हमें क्या ध्यान देना है कि रिजल्ट्स के साथ हम काम कैसे करेंगे. तो रिजल्ट्स के पहले आपको जान लेना है कि आज कौन सा रिजल्ट है, ताकि उस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में आप बड़ा पोजीशन न ले. इफ यू रियली वांट टू ट्रेड दैट, यू कैन गो थ्रू द ऑप्शन रूट आल्सो, बट देन यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द टाइम फैक्टर. नाउ as we move into the rolling ticker, all right, as we move into the rolling ticker, so let me just go and take a look. And today our action is on CPR, right. So what does CPR help you with? CPR helps you with getting a perspective, and we are going to see now how to find out some CPR trades with our Confluence strategy. So this is a strategy which I keep sharing across all my sessions and all my programs, because it's a very very simple and very powerful way. So आज देखेंगे कि इसे रख के हम कोई ट्रेड कैसे ले सकते हैं. All right. Now you can see here there is a CPR level 1 strategy here. You can see here the CPR level 1. It is coming in DLF. So now I go to the dashboard and then I also take a look at how is the overall sector. Okay. Now based on what I see here, I find that the real estate sector is also doing well today, and there is a move in DLF. So now if I go and put on the chart of DLF. So let me go here. Okay, this is the setup, right? This is a setup for the level 1 strategy. And these charts are available in NeoTrader. We have done a very good integration with done. So, okay, this is the DLF. And what I see in DLF is a good move to the upside, right? I can see here that DLF has moved up. It's crossed R1. So I am having a buy opportunity here. So I can initiate a buy at current levels. So I can initiate a buy at current levels. I'll initiate a buy here. Okay, let me message my team and we'll initiate a buy in DLF. So now this trade in DLF, okay, this trade in DLF, which I'm talking about, what does it signify? It signifies that there is a onset of momentum. Yeah, it signifies that there is a onset of momentum. And now, if this particular trade has to move, what has to happen? Market has to go up, right? So now let us see how can we initiate more trades. So one trade is on DLF. We took a look at the sector, then we took a look at the momentum here, and now let us go and check out how we can take out more trades. So now as we are taking a look at the sticker, so this, what does a sticker do? This sticker tells you where there is a movement either to the upside or to the downside. So this is how I keep tracking. I'm tracking in the entire Nifty FNO basket. Kahan par the stock is moving up and crossing the relevant filters. All right. And then how is it able to give me a trade? I hope all of you understood this, right? So that is how I go about selecting a trade. So now you can see here that the prices have moved above the CPR, they are cross level 1. But then what NeoTrader does is it tells you where exactly this has happened. So now let's see the other one. So let's see what can be done in Siemens. So okay, Siemens is a similar setup. Again, I go here. I go to Siemens. And there's a setup in Siemens. So Siemens is a even better trade, right? You can see here Siemens is a narrow CPR. You can see here Siemens is a narrow CPR, and what has happened is it has crossed R1 and it has also crossed the previous day high. So every filter has been triggered, and this is our level 1 trade, right? This is our level 1 trade. So what do you mean by level 1? Level 1 means where all the conditions are satisfied, where it's trading above the CPR, where it is trading above R1, and where it is also crossing the levels. So crossing R1, crossing previous day high, and also above the CPR makes it a level 1 trade. So that's the classification which we have done in NeoTrader, so that it gives us more clarity. You can see here that these are trades. So now if you wanted to see since morning what has happened, so let's go and take a look. Today is the 19th, and one day ahead of the crucial Reliance demerger. But you can see here PEL came at 10 o'clock. Okay, this is PEL. So let's put on PEL and see what has happened to PEL. So if you put on PEL here, PEL came at 10. We saw here there was this move, went up, and now there is a pullback. So right now the market is showing some movement. And here, what is the beauty of this chart? In NeoTrader, from this chart, you can also see what is happening to the option data. So let's put on Nifty. That's where most of the people are trading. Okay, let's put on Nifty here. And let me show you how you can track the option chain in Nifty. So let me put on Nifty here. This is Nifty. And we can see here that Nifty had a narrow CPR. So if you can see here, Nifty had a narrow CPR. And yes, it did cross create a level one, but there has been no follow through yet. And now there is a pullback to the CPR. So this is a good pullback for those who missed out on the trade because your stop loss is very, very close. So you can see here, this is your CPR. It's a narrow CPR, and below the narrow CPR can be your stop loss. So if you want to indulge in an option trade, so you can just go here and go to the option chain, and you can see here what is the at the money strike. You want to go for 19700, which is at 181, or you want to go to 19750. You have got the at the money strike. It directly goes down to the at the money strike. That is the beauty of this page. It directly goes down to the at the money strike. You don't have to keep searching. So it directly goes down to the at the money strike, and then it tells you, yes, this is where you got to focus your attention. So now we have got here that yes, this is here, and this option chart is not available on TradingView. So it's a TradingView option chart. It's a brilliant feature which we have incorporated in NeoTrader. You can see here. Now I just click on this particular chart here. I get the July 19750 call. उसका मुझे चार्ट मिल जाता है. अगर आपको ऑप्शन की चार्ट देखनी हो, या अगर आपको डायरेक्टली फ्यूचर का चार्ट देखना हो, कैश का चार्ट देखना हो, आप सबका चार्ट देख सकते हैं. और इसमें और एक बढ़िया चीज क्या है, यहाँ पर आप राइट माउस क्लिक करेंगे, आपको यहाँ पर पता चलेगा कि लाइव बिल्डअप क्या हो रहा है. यू विल गेट टू नो ऑन द फ्यूचर कि व्हाट इज द बिल्डअप हैपनिंग. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई अगेन गो बैक टू द निफ्टी, right, I go to the Nifty and then I do a right mouse click. I see here what is the live build up. You can see here that there is some long unwinding happening, short build up, long unwinding, long unwinding. और अब यहाँ से एक 25-30 पॉइंट्स का एक डिक्लाइन आया है. राइट, यू कैन सी हियर ऑलमोस्ट 820 to 780 is a 40 point, roughly a 40 point drop. So that is how you can track what is happening. And OI data is a very very important data. और ये OI data जो है हम आपको constantly देते जाते हैं. Right, that's the whole idea कि how you can track and how you can participate. Right, awesome, fantastic. So let me just take a look at certain questions. If it is a wide CPR, all right. So before I answer my questions, I have 63 people with me right now. I want all of you to go and hit the like button before we discuss further. Yeah, come on guys. I want all the people, 60 people who are there with me. I want you to go and hit the like button, guys. We have discussed on what the market is showing, how the market is behaving, and what we need to do. Now we will go and discuss some more elements about the CPR, and we'll also take a look at certain trades here. Okay, so make it quick, guys. Now, one of the main triggers for today is that Reliance demerger is going to be effective from tomorrow, and Geo Financial Services is going to move out. So one of the main reasons for a demerger is a company wants to unlock its value, and Reliance में सबकी नज़र काफ़ी है, and people are expecting that they will expect more upside in Reliance in the coming days, and that's what it's been given a re-rating by even by broking agencies. So this particular आज last date है where Reliance is trading, and many of the based on many kinds of analysis which are coming to the table, people feel that this is the best way to get Geo Financial Services, which will be demerged and it will be listed. So the listing price is quoted somewhere around 160. So what people feel is that the record date is tomorrow. So record date kya hai? Record date is the date till which those who are having Reliance shares, they will be considered for giving them the Geo Financial Services share. So now if you want to buy Geo Financial Services share at a later date, that's a different thing. But then if you want to get that share, okay, so this is the best time for you to buy Reliance and hold it. So that is the overall situation why you are having such interest now. And over the last few days, okay, over the last few days, lot of people are interested here. So now the ratio is also set as 1:1. So people are wanting to go ahead with Reliance, and Reliance has always been one of the favorites. Yes, it had slipped into the background. So let's see what is Reliance doing, and whether based on our approach will we get some momentum in Reliance. वो भी जाकर देखते हैं. ये रहा Reliance. Yes. So all my viewers, let me first check whether all of you have स्मैश द लाइक बटन. ओके, अभी भी 65 लोग हैं मेरे साथ. अभी भी लाइक बटन पे अभी भी कोई कमी है? अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ कमी है तो मुझे बता दीजिए, मैं वो भी डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ. बट लाइक्स 63 people are online and I want 63 likes. So Reliance is what we are going to discuss first, and then we will go into some other stocks. All right. Okay, let me check. Okay, so there are many ways to take a trade. There are many ways to take a trade. So today we are discussing on CPR. हम कैमरे के ऊपर भी चर्चा करेंगे और डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैमरा के ऊपर कैसे डिस्कशन करें. Let's keep the focus on CPR because that is something. All right. Meanwhile, while I'm discussing, all those who missed the opportunity to hit the like button, do that. And one of the reasons for Reliance, for Nifty to hold up is Reliance में काफी इंटरेस्ट है आज के क्षेत्र में. तो रिलायंस में जब तक ये मोमेंटम रहेगा, निफ्टी इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अवे. सो ऑल ऑफ यू डू नॉट, थोड़ा सा आपको एक पुल बैक दिखा तो वहां पर जाकर आप शॉर्ट ना कीजिएगा, अपॉर्चुनिटीज देखिएगा टू पार्टिसिपेट. आई होप आई एम क्लियर. राइट, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू डू बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी टू से कि नहीं चल रहा है, यहाँ पर हम इसे एग्जिट कर देते हैं. Right. So based on the last discussion, so Reliance is still not crossed the threshold level, but yes, it is definitely above the CPR and it is waiting to cross this. So 2840 का मैं wait कर रहा हूँ Reliance में. जैसे 2840 cross कर जाए, so there is a very good opportunity in Reliance to move towards 2860 on a intraday basis. Now the stock which we had discussed and the trade which we had initiated was on DLF. So ये रहा DLF का setup है. और yes, DLF is now witnessing. Okay, I had taken the trade based on my spot. ऑलराइट, न्यू ट्रेडर में पूरा स्पॉट पे हम उसे डिसीजन मेकिंग लेते हैं. यस, यहाँ से फॉलो थ्रू आया था. करेक्ट, दिस वाज मूवमेंट हियर एंड देन आई हैव एग्जिटेड द ट्रेड. ओके, so now let's move ahead. Okay, let's move ahead and let's find out another opportunity. DLF is still on hold. So now I am tracking CPR and in level 1, okay, I have got this is okay. This is let me go to the first page here. So market after the initial move has become a little slow. You can see here that still the markets are in a range bound scenario. तो मार्केट जब एक रेंज बाउंड सिनेरियो में है तो आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा और आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स क्या है. तो जब आप इस पेज पर आएंगे तो आपको अगर देखना है कि चलो यहाँ पर स्टॉक आने के पहले आप दूसरी तरीके से कैसे ट्रैक करें, तो वहां पर आप चल सकते हैं हमारे सीपीआर पेज पे. ऑलराइट, और हमारे सीपीआर पेज पे है. ओके, हमारे सीपीआर पेज पे अगर आप जाएंगे ऑलराइट, सो ये सीपीआर पेज पे यहाँ पर लग रहा है कि ये पूरा यहाँ पर सिचुएशन है। यहाँ पर द ओवरऑल सिनेरियो है यहाँ पे। ओके, तो यहाँ पर जो ओवरऑल सिनेरियो है ये हमें बता रहा है कि ये एक लेवल वन ट्रेड्स है, और लेवल वन ट्रेड्स में जब भी कोई मूवमेंट आता है इट गेट्स कैप्चर्ड इन द रोलिंग टिकर। ऑलराइट, सो दैट्स हाउ द रोलिंग टिकर हैज बीन डिजाइंड। And now, if you want to know certain more trades, what you can do is you can go and check out these sections also. Wide 7, narrow 7. Yeah, these are, for example, these are the narrowest in the last 7 trading days. These are the widest CPR in the last 7 trading. So wide CPR में आप ट्रेड ले सकते हैं, बट लेकिन यहाँ पर आपको प्रॉफिट बुकिंग जल्दी करना पड़ेगा। जैसे आज ऑरो फार्मा में था, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई गो हियर एंड आई पुट ऑन ऑरो फार्मा, तो व्हेन आई पुट ऑन ऑरो फार्मा हियर you can see here that the movement was good. It opened above the previous day high and then it went on to meet R3. So as all of you who have been training with me, you all know that R3 is a profit booking zone. यहाँ से आपको 1% भी आ गया और R3 भी आ गया, तो यहाँ पर प्रॉफिट बुक करना उचित है, राइट? So that's the whole idea here, and that's why we always track the cash segment, because for every segment eventually the cash is the underlying. So आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना है कि कैश में ये स्टॉक कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, और उसी की वजह से हम कैश पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं। अगर कैश पे कोई पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस आता है तो प्रॉफिट बुक करना उचित है या एग्जिट करना उचित है, बिकॉज that is the philosophy which I like to follow. Now I would leave you to your philosophy, but then those who are training with me definitely have a very good idea. All right, so now when I go and take a look, okay, so there is a question on Siemens. All right, so let's see what is happening to Siemens. So this is Siemens here. So Siemens, if you see here, Siemens has given this candle close, but has it gone above the high? Has the trade gone above the high? The trade has not given a follow through. So this is the importance of getting trained, and that is what I cover as part of the my workshop which I do. I regularly conduct workshops, and for those who are part of the new trader community and attended the recent new trader strategy workshop, there I teach you technical analysis. I show you how to combine it with new trader so that you can take advantage. So now you are asking me whether this trade is not valid because the prices did not go above the candle high. So which is a clear signal that there is lack of follow through. So there is something called as follow through, there is something called as failure. So you should always be very clear about these concepts. These are simple but powerful ways, and all these simple and powerful ways, okay, I have covered it in a very exhaustive way. I covered it in a very exhaustive way, and this exhaustive way which I am talking to you about, okay, this exhaustive way which I'm talking to you about is very detailedly covered in this workshop which I have done. And that workshop, let me just share with you all that this is a very interesting workshop. It's called as New Trader Strategy Workshop, which is available to all those people who are having their Neo Trader subscription. So in this course is done not only by me, it's done by Dr. Narayan as well. And there are a lot of things which we have put here. We have told you how to analyze the market. We show you how to look at the basics, how to look at price action, how to look at intraday trading. So our objective is that whenever you attend any session, live market रहने दीजिए या off market रहने दीजिए, it can be of new trader or it can be of anyone. We will help you to look at the market. We'll show you how to use CPR. We have shown how to use Cameria. We have talked about options. We have talked about trade management techniques. We have spoken about how to do analysis over the weekend, the importance of the same, हाउ टू यूज RSI, हाउ टू यूज इट। तो यहाँ पर एक बहुत एग्जॉस्टिव एक कोर्स आपको मिलता है, जिसे रखकर आपका जो ट्रेडिंग का जो direction hai, it really changes to a great extent. So those who are interested to know about that, you can always reach out to our team, and you will get very good idea on how you can do this better, because trading is not just about buying and selling, it's about how to correlate the whole thing, and that's where you will be able to get a good idea. And the whole premise of this workshop and neo trader is to help you engage with the market better, right? So that's why whenever you will look at the market, and whenever you want to trade, you will never have any hesitation. और ऐसे चार्ट्स तो आते रहेंगे, और पूरा ये जो कोर्स आपको मैं जो बता रहा हूँ, उसमें काफ़ी डिटेल में हमने गया है। अगर आप देखेंगे सिर्फ ऑन हाउ टू ट्रेड विद RSI, उसमें पूरा RSI को कैसे रीड करना है, RSI के साथ कैसे ट्रेड करना है, ओवरबॉट ओवरसोल्ड क्या है, हर एक का एक वीडियो दिया गया है। और इसके ऊपर हम अलग अलग सेशंस करते रहते हैं। देखिए ADX को कैसे यूज करना है, ADX का वैल्यू क्या है, ADX कैसे कैलकुलेट किया गया है, और जब ये ट्रेडिंग साइकोलॉजी की बात आती है तो कैसे कैसे एक्टिविटी करना है, एंट्री पे क्या किस पर ध्यान देना है, स्टॉप लॉस पर किस पर ध्यान देना है। तो ये सारे चीजें हमने कवर की है, बिकॉज वी नो व्हाट ऑल अ ट्रेडर नीड्स, एंड थ्रू these regular live market sessions you will be able to integrate technical analysis as well as neo trader. So this is available to all those who are buying neo trader. So if you are interested to know about that, all you have to do is check out the link that has been shared on the screen, right, on the chat box, and our team will be happy to assist you and show you कि मार्केट्स में काम करने के लिए सिंपल वेज क्या है, और नियो ट्रेडर की टीम आपको कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो एज वी आर नियरिंग टू द एंड ऑफ today's session, let me also go into Bank Nifty, and let me see what is Bank Nifty doing today. And I can see here that बैंक निफ्टी में एक वाइड CPR बना है, राइट? आफ्टर यस्टरडेज मूव एक वाइड CPR बना है। एंड बेसिकली वाइड CPR जब भी होता है, ओके, वाइड CPR जब भी होता है, सो व्हेन अ वाइड CPR हैपेंस, द prices generally they tend to oscillate in a range. So very rare moves you get when there is a wide CPR. So you have to be very careful when you're trading a wide CPR, because wide CPR generally indicates that there is lack of movement. So stay away from a wide CPR trade, wait for some clarity and trade light. But narrow CPR में आप आपका position increase कर सकते हैं. So that's what a CPR does. CPR helps you to manage your position and also position your trade. All right. So with that, I come to an end of today's session. Thank you so much for joining in. And if you liked what we shared, do leave a like on this video and also comment on what aspect of this session you liked. And we'll connect again in the next session to share more such interesting information and also give you more insights on how to read the market and how to trade the market. Thank you and have a good day.